Good morning, my YouTubers. This is your cameraman, Dana Drefsky, for Aftermath of the construction. Today is January 5th, 2022, and the high will be about 57. Tomorrow will be about 45 or something like that. And right now, I think we see some aftermath of the construction like they did yesterday on this block. Yep. Tearing it just like Swiss cheese. I don't know, let's hope they don't come back again today. I wish they'd just get the hell out of here. It's been like almost a week since Monday. That this is the fine starts with the new year to be changing. Like this property over there next door to my house and the one across the street. Yep. So I hope you enjoyed this little short video of this aftermath of the construction site. And I'll see you later for hopefully some more updates of the construction. And in the meantime, this is your cameraman, Dan Drusky, saying see you later, and comment, subscribe, to ring the bell if you like other of these previous videos. Goodbye, folks, and I'll see you later.